definitely still a lot of snow on the ground on I-40 between Flagstaff and Williams. It's everywhere. Arizona Divide, elevation 7,335. We're about 20 miles away from Williams, so we should, whoa, that trailer in the water. We should be there shortly. Have a bit of flooding over there on that property. Wow, look at that. There's now a lake. That's usually grassy meadows. It's turning into one huge lake. I've seen it like that before, but not this full. It goes way back here. Never seen that before. Here's my exit, 165.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto historic Route 66.
So this road, once I get on this is 64, I believe. That goes all the way to my property.
Turn left onto historic Route 66.
North 64. There's Kaibab Lake. They're probably open for recreational day use, but not for camping yet. This is usually where we camp. Oh wow, never seen that before. That's Kaibab Lake. It's flooded all the way to here. I'm gonna pull in here and see, but I'll probably just stop right here for now.
Continue on Forest Service Road 71
there's
for
a
3 miles.
turnabout here, so I'm going to just pull in right here. I wonder if I should have came in the other way. It doesn't look muddy, so I'll tell Jeff to go ahead of me. Do you want to go ahead of me?
Yeah, but remember, I get stuck easier than you do.
Oh, that's true. I'll just pull into here then. What is it, moo-moo? What is it? Alright. This should be fine. So you might be wondering why I'm decided to camp here instead of just go home, which is about 25 miles away. Well, the roads there I don't think are quite dry enough, and I have some things to get done. So I thought this camping area is right here in Williams. It's halfway between Flagstaff and also the property, so I can run to either one really easy if I have to get anything done, which I do. I have some projects and some stuff that I have to get done. So I thought this would be nice for a week or two to give the roads time to dry out. Okay. Let's get over this. I don't think your small little paws would get over that. Alright, go ahead. So it seems like they've graded the road a bit. It looks just fine to drive on. Yeah. But I know how muddy and messy this can get back here. There's definitely still snow on the ground in certain spots. This is a nice camp spot right there. Yeah, it is muddy. So that's what I'm worried about, is definitely getting bogged down. Don't want to do that. It is soft? Yeah. Things haven't quite dried out just yet. I mean, if you stay on the main road here, it's okay, because this is, they add to this, and this is compacted. But you see, this is where people camp, and it looks like a muddy mess and snow still here. So there are people further back. I'm really okay being by the road. It'll suit my needs. Better than coming back here and getting stuck, but we're scoping it out. Hopefully there's a spot. Yeah, definitely still really wet in certain spots. Oh yeah, that person's literally camped right on the road. Oh yeah, this would be nasty. You got bogged down in that. Good job, Bumble. Huh? So we did end up finding a spot a little further from where we walked. So we took the truck back here just to check it. Yes, I know, my seatbelt's not on. I wanted to bring the truck back here and make sure it wasn't mushy. And it did fine. So, it's just a little wet back here. There is a river running a little further back, but we're not going that far back. This will open up into a field, and that's where there's a lot of moisture the further you go on. There's like a pull behind trailer back there, and I do not see how they didn't get that. Wow, that's annoying. Yes, I know. We're just moving location. Stop it. But anyways, it does get a little wet right here, but nothing too bad. This is the spot. I saved it with the truck. I think we found a nice little spot. This is where I ended up parking, right here. There's a lot of room. Let me get set up. Letting the girls free range a little bit while I set up their tent. Wow, you just didn't know what to do with yourself, did you? There's so much space to run. Get your food. You're being left out there, Phoenix. Gotta come over and get your food. And you can get the water over there too. Here you go, girls. There you go. Thanks.
Just do what I please, yes sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings, yes sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beast and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything.
We're taking the dogs for a walk before nightfall. It is a muddy mess back here. Look at all the snow that's still on the ground over there. Huh?
There's all water sitting in there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, we probably shouldn't go this way. We can walk to the front where it's dry still. Oh, yeah. Melty, melty. Moo-moo? Moo-moo, come on. Watch out for the mud. Get in the sun. Get. Come on, come on. They don't know what to do. It's so cold under their feet. Come on. Come on, Moo-moo. Get in. Get. She left you. Oh. Had a little mishap there, did you? Wow, look at that. That looks like a mess. Looks like someone got stuck. Or almost stuck. Oh, look at it. It's a bench. I should take that back to the property. Lulu could use it for a seat. Lulu, you want this for a bench? A stool? How about you? Can you get a Kellogg? Up. Come on. You need to get up there? Up. There you go. See, look at that. Good boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You like it? Well, the sun is gone. Seems like it's gonna be a peaceful night. While the girls are up, they're getting really good about putting themselves up. They'll climb the ladder that I built and then get on the roosting bars. Then I'll just close it up. They're ready for tonight. I close this door as well, but I wait until I go to bed. That way they just get some cool air through there. But I don't want to leave it open because it still is kind of chilly, so I don't want to make it too cold in there. Right, girl? Where are you? I hear you pecking in there somewhere. We just grabbed some breakfast and we're heading down to Kaibab to eat. Wow, there's still a lot of snow inside the road. Parking in designated spaces only. Now the campground I don't believe is open yet. Yeah, it's not open yet. I see they've closed the roads for the camping areas. Holy crap. This is what I said yesterday. This thing is full. Yeah, this is usually where you go hiking. It's completely full. Because we crossed through that. Wow. This is definitely the fullest I've seen it. There's people out there and people enjoying this. It is free for day use.
Yeah, which is very nice.
And there are signs that says day use only, no overnight camping. Yeah, there's several vehicles here. There's someone fishing and some people out on a boat out there. I'm gonna drive towards the end and see if any of the picnic tables are in the sun, because it's a little chilly this morning to be sitting in the shade. Wow, it's actually busy over here. There's several cars.
One in the sun here. Well, park
Yeah, we can park over there. What do you think, Kellogg, huh? What do you think? Wow, people are getting their fishing on. Oh, we'll park right here. Day use. And look, picnic table in the sun, perfect. As long as you're in the sun, it feels wonderful. Really surprised how much activity is on the lake today. And how full it is. Still got that kind of mucky brown color. Not a very clear lake. Jeff got the monster biscuit combo. They had a 2 for $5 breakfast sandwiches, so that's what I got. Breakfast was good. I'm so full. We're gonna take a quick walk over to this side of the lake and see what's going on since it's so overflowed and coming down from the mountains. Because it's all the way back to where we're camping. And I've never seen that before.
Spillway or whatever.
Right. So normally this is the path. You walk this path here and then cross over to the other side, and then you can walk all the way around the lake. But as you can see, that is definitely not possible. This becomes a spillway. I didn't know about that. Wow. A lot of snow melt. That's awesome. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. It's like a raging river. I don't know where it's going to though. Where is it going to? I don't see an exit point for it. Oh, maybe that way. Can't quite see it. I think we've just had so much moisture this winter and snowfall. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it does go around that way. I don't remember all this large rock being here, or this spillway. But obviously it must have, and they're directing it that way. That's why they put all the boulders here, I'm sure. Oh, kind of mucky. Oh yeah. You see? The thing they have put the boulder here and wash this all away. Yep, just goes that way. Very cool. First time seeing this. So I just asked Jeff if he remembered any of these rocks here, and he said he does remember them here. I guess I just never noticed because it was just a bunch of rocks. All right, watch out, Calico. Guess the water comes up all through here. It's flowing hard enough. Wow, this is really cool. This would be awesome if this was a river all the time. I'm gonna go down there a little further, see. This would be amazing if this river ran all the time. Wow, I never knew. This is awesome. And that's it. Once it gets to there. Oh, it cuts back this way. Yeah, that's back towards Williams. Do you think this flows into the Bill Williams River? Oh, there's lakes, right. I was wondering if this ran into the Bill Williams River. It's a lot of water. Huh. Nice. Yep, and I don't even know if this happens every year.
Oh, I don't think it does.
Yeah, this is very unusual. There's just so much snowfall this year. Oh, look at that. This is an overflow.
Not the dam.
No, but then it just keeps on going though. I don't actually think we can continue any further as it goes up. There's a slope there. And then obviously the rest is the river. Moo-moo. Don't get too close to the water. Unless you want to go swimming. One last look. Definitely a razor. It's eroding away all the dirt. You can see the tree roots. The other side of Kaibab. And I don't know if I showed it yesterday. I spoke about it, but I don't think you were able to like actually see the waters coming this way. Right at the entrance of our campground is the passage that leads underneath. And that's where a lot of the water's coming from as well. It's all snow melt from the mountains behind where we're camping. And it's a river. Yeah, that's a lot of snow melt. It's just coming from the mountains up high. And then this leads down and into Kaibab, which is right through there. And then we were on the far end of Kaibab over there. Wow. I never knew. Or I've never seen this before. Well, that was awesome. We've made it back to camp. It's a beautiful day today, nice and sunny. It started out a little chilly this morning, definitely chilly. And I really have to be careful because some of my plants got affected. Like, yeah. Might have to start putting them inside until it warms up a bit. We definitely weren't used to this temperature. Good morning, gals. I put them out about 5:30 this morning. Some of my plants I already had indoors, so they didn't get affected. So for the next couple nights, I probably will stick most of the plants indoors, just so they don't get damaged or destroyed, because I've been growing them for a while, and that would be awful if that happened. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for hanging out. In the next video, we're going to be heading back to the property for the day, just to take things back there. So hope you'll check that out. Don't forget, if you want to subscribe or check out Patreon, it'll be over here. And if you want to check out more videos, they'll be right over there. Thanks, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.